VW Golf Mk6 1.4 TSI timing chain replacement. I forgot to record before I took it off, but before you take off you will need a timing tool. That it's a gauge to check the cylinder 1 to be right up. When cylinder 1 is right on top, you need to put that on you to lock your camshafts, exhaust and inlet camshaft. That just slides in. Then you have to put crank locking pin in here. It just basically screws in, right? Finger tight, no need tying. Before you start installing the chain, you must clean properly where the gasket goes. Then you will need to clean the timing cover. You install first new gasket, make sure you check all the holes corresponding. The easiest way is you match with the old one, you put over the old one and you can see is it same. And after that you're gonna install the timing chain guides. First you put your chain tensioner and you torque the two T30 bolts, 9 Newton meter. Then you put chain guide, make sure you lubricate them before you put them on. You put inlet exhaust, just finger tight so it can move. Before installing the chain, make sure for about an hour you leave it on the oil to lubricate. Then you put chain, inlet diffuser and exhaust diffuser. Make sure you just finger tie them so they can move. After that you just release the tensioner. So belt, it get tension and they come to the place how they should be. After you release the timing chain tensioner, it will pull and it will be on a place. After what you do is you tight, but this is anti-clockwise, it getting tight, and clockwise it loosen. This one is normal bolt, clockwise tighten, anti-clockwise releasing. Inlet diffuser you tie 40 Newton meter plus 90 degrees. Exhaust diffuser, camshaft diffusers, you tie 50 Newton meter plus 90 degrees. After you tie the diffusers, you put tiny bit silicone on top of the sump where the sump meets timing chain cover. Don't go crazy, it needs just a little bit. You prepare the cover and then you put it in. Before you put cover on, make sure you take the timing tools out from here and underneath on crank lock. Turn the engine a few times and you're gonna check that way the timing is it gonna be alright. After everything is confirmed done, good, then the timing cover bolts are 5 HW5, basically Allen key 5, and you tie it onto 13 Newton meter. After you do that, crankshaft bolt, you're gonna tie 150 Newton meter plus 180 degrees. You're gonna need the angle degree tool as well.